The first important tip is, in order to crack your Viva and defend properly, the first thing that you must do is get a broad idea what is exactly out there in your thesis or dissertation. If you don't know what each chapter or what each experiment is about in general, you are not in a position to attend any type of Viva, could it be PhD or any other courses Viva. So first, the important aspect is you need to have a general idea about your dissertation and what are all the chapters and experiments, what are all the points you included over there. That is the first thing that you must do to become confident. Confidence is all about in Viva. And the second tip is try to submit your dissertation to the doctoral committee beforehand itself, not just before 1 week of your Viva. No, you have to do it at least before 2 months or 1 month so that your committee has enough time to go through your Viva. The reason why I tell this is, if at all there are some problems with your dissertation, they can really inform you in one or other time through your supervisor during this 1 month time. But if you submit late, maybe 1 week before your Viva, even if the committee finds some problems, they may not in a position to check it in time and tell you. So, submit your dissertation to the doctoral committee or examiners committee before 1 month. And the third tip is approach your PhD supervisor and ask your supervisor how the Viva presentation will be in that particular university or department. Usually your PhD supervisor knows very well how Viva has been conducted throughout these years. So you ask for how it is being conducted right now in the university so that you get a very good idea how to move about. And also you can ask your PhD supervisor, how does your dissertation look like? What kind of questions that you can expect, and how would the Viva overall goes about? So if you ask these some crucial questions, your PhD supervisor is very happy to help you. So take good help before your Viva and in time, and do it with your PhD supervisor, who can be your best guide to tell you what is exactly happening in PhD Viva. And of course, these are all prior to your Viva. But what exactly have to be done during the Viva is what I'm going to give some more tips. Like during your Viva, when you come to present it, you must be in a position to defend your Viva. For that, you need to carry one copy with you and submit some more copies to all the examiners sitting over there, so that when they ask you about any line that you have written, then you can just take out your own copy and verify. So be careful with the way you handle your dissertation copy. The copy which you give to them, the page numbers, be the same that what you have within your hand. Let that not be a different. It may not happen, but sometimes there are chances that some way some printing mistakes may go. So be careful that all the copies are same and well organized manner without any big problems. So that's how you need to make sure during your Viva section. And while giving your Viva, you must make sure like to present in such a way, like you need to give some, the way you present your slides must be in an organized manner, like the way you have conducted experiments, the way the problems, the how you proved it to be. So you need to do it in an organized way, the complete Viva session. So that's what you need to first be careful about. And you must, if you don't know something, the question which they have asked, just don't say bluntly, I don't know, but you can tell, I have no idea about that, but I'm not sure. I think I might have other ideas along the line. So you need to substitute, instead of I don't know, you need to substitute with many other indirect sentences which may not bring any negative attitude from the part of examiners. So that is why throughout your defense you must be very careful not to say I don't know sentence, but rather you just try to use indirect sentences which may bring some confidence from the part of examiners. So whenever you are not sure of any answer, when you don't know something to reply, you just can use one sentence, I'm not sure, I'm not getting an idea right now, I used to have this idea. And also you can tell, yes, this is completely a new point that I need to work out, and I will have to work out regarding this point. And usually after finishing your PhD Viva defense, it's very common, most of the times you are asked to revise your dissertation. That don't be panic, and that's a very, very common thing. So try to accept all those corrections, all those advices, and do the things proper, but you will pass if you can manage cleverly your Viva session. So if you have any more doubts regarding to this PhD Viva, how to crack it, how to defend properly in a systematic manner, you can visit my website phdstudytips.com. There you will get all the information in depth, though I have given all the important points here. So if you have any more questions, kindly comment below. I'm responding every comment here. Thank you very much. Best of luck to your upcoming Viva session. Goodbye.